buffalo ko. Yung mga birds, oh.
I think that is Talagay one because he's laughing. That is not fair.
Ayun, thank you. Ayun, okay. Thank you. Uy, covered. Pwede na mag-swimming. Swimming ka, baby. Ano pinag-uusapan nyo? May pustahan kayo na?
If there's a tiger in our room, I'm gonna sleep forever with Daddy. If there's not, I will not sleep forever.
Okay.
I'm scared. Look at this tiger.
So, you're scared na pustahan mo? Oh. Okay. Sino winner? Sinong winner?
It's Daddy. Because of this one.
Come on, you open the blinds.
Oh, there's a real tiger!
Open the fridge.
Pabaliktad ba?
Rafa, please open. Help me. Ito. Yan. Hila.
Ano yun? Ayun no, dito Rafa.
Lion.
No, it's a tiger. Rafa.
We have a door? Going where?
Going to the tiger.
Hala. That's it?
Yes.
Are we safe?
Rafa, ano?
It's a lion.
Tiger.
It's a lion tiger.
White tiger yan eh. Huwag mo kong dayain ha.
Ayun siya. Hello.
Lion. Do you know what yung kanina lion tiger? Ano?
Liger.
Liger.
Ano? Sleep forever. Sleep forever. Sleep forever. Ano?
Just don't click.
Oh. Wow naman na room. Wow naman ang room, baby. Ang ganda. Cassie, you like our room? Cassie, you like our room? Ang ganda oh. Simple lang. May tiger dito. May pool dito.
Yeah.
Pwede ka na mag-swimming, Rafa. Cassie, you like our room? Good.
Ano? Yeah.
Relax.
Paano relax?
Relax.
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 Relax lang.
Relax ka with the tiger dun outside, oh.
Ayun o.
Tingnan niya. Nasaan na yung tiger? Ayun. Kung masyadong kita.
What are you doing?
Movie night, day? Movie.
Eat, and tiger.
In your background.
We're watching...
Ayan, gumagalaw oh.
Ay, malis na pwesto niya. Tutulog si Cassie beside the tiger.
Yeah.
There.
Kasi,
There's the tiger.
So many things close to us. Like tiger close. Pool close.
TV close.
yeah. Everybody.
Every room is with TV.
Pagbukas dito, there. Hello, tiger. Ay, may cat to.
Hello, baby! Zubik Safari at night. So, night safari siya. Tama ba? Miss V?
Yeah.
Miss V? Hello, Miss V.
Look, Miss V.
Miss Volunteer. Na! Gulat siya. Oo. Papa, hi. Ilang gagawin mo? Eating dinner. Cassie is there.
Visioning world-class innovation. Zuri at the residence you have Paradiso Theme Park at Indes, Cavite. The Smitas are known for their ingenious lives, living on what it can produce and use within the mountain. They have extensive knowledge of see a group of dragonflies swarming around. They believe that this indicates the arrival of rainy season and a lot of training, while the elders are hunting in the wild. While the thing occur between two tribes, they send their young men to battlefield for victory or peaceful resolution here in the Philippines. And it took many lives of other people. The Aita community has been severely affected.
What? Ano kasi? You understand? Ano si kasi? Ano yun?
Friendly reminder, please remain seated during the presentation. Strigaday family, locally known that's longer than their body. They can be, these unique creatures can actually stand like bears up to 80 to 20 feet long, albino water buffaloes. Therefore, this away cattle, also known as Oreo cattle.
I like that. That's my favorite animal. To eat.
Strutting their way are our miniature donkeys. This intelligent. Next up is our miniature horse, named Chris. They can grow up to 5 feet tall. This intelligent, curious, native horse. This horse were introduced to the Arca Pacer and locally called it as caballo. Recognizable of all exotic cats.
Ayan na.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our tiger cub named Fiona.
Ano ba yan?
The survival of baby tigers and their adult counterpart is threatened by habitat loss and illegal poaching. Magnificent creatures
Are you scared?
for future generations.
Kala ko yung big tiger eh. Ang tagal naman.
And now, please welcome our fully grown tiger, named Titan.
Ayun na.
Tigers have unique stripes that no two tigers are alike. They can grow the length of 12 feet, excluding the tail. And they can weigh 300 to 600 pounds.
Siya talaga yung trainer. Ito parang picture din.
A round of applause for the pride of Zubik Safari, the Roaring Tigers.
Yeah, ganda.
This other one. What's this about?
Oh my gosh! Where's the tiger? There, the tiger is sleeping. Like Cassie. Cassie is sleeping. So this is Daddy and Rafa's bed. Did Rafa sleep here? Did Rafa sleep here last night? Oh my goodness. So dapat this is Rafa, Daddy, Mommy, and Cassie. But what happened?
I was here.
Diba? Tulog pa si Cassie. Katulad ng tiger. Kasi sakit na likod ko.
Katabi ng
Ay. Gumalaw yung tiger. Ingay kasi. Gising na yung tiger.
tiger.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye. Tour kami. Bye-bye.
Bye. Come on, Rafa. So lapit.
Hello. Ew.
Bakit?
He's flower girl.
Ay, ganun. I think it's sipon.
What's that?
Nasa nose eh, oh. Ayun, oh.
Hello, are you sick? I'm so joke lang. Let's go.
Let's explore. This a shortcut? This a shortcut place?
I think the giant is just
Chicken. A chicken, ano ba yan?
they were in the state.
Hmm? Come on.
There's a bee. There's a bee. It's stuck by me.
Shortcut. Hi, bird.
Oh my god.
Ingay.
I found it. It's with blood. Look.
Blood?
Look. Or it's just a
Or is this the ano?
Yeah, there's ants. You stepped on ants.
There's a giraffe.
It's not real. No, it's just beauty.
It's real. Yeah, it's the restaurant now.
Good morning! Ano gagawa niyo, guys? Kala ni Cassie. Sarap mag-swimming, oh. Outside, oh. Okay, guys. While waiting for 4-hour breakfast, we will go to Serpentarium. Kasi hindi tayo nakapunta kahapon. Because it's hot.
There's a tarantula, right?
Yeah.
And, pain ka sa akin, ha? Trace mo. Where's the spider?
No, do not touch it.
Iguana. Hindi yan yung nag-change ng colors, ha?
Then what?
Chameleon. Ano yan?
Oh,
Mmm!
that's here already.
kahapon. Dito, di na pala mainit. Eh, pagod na.
Ball ano?
Python.
Python. May mga nakita kang ganyan, di mo naisipin kung ano yun eh. Isipin mo na lang.
Takbo.
Takbo agad.
Wait, may python again?
Python.
Talaga nakaano sila eh, no?
Ulupot.
Oo.
Ah, giniginaw.
Corn snake.
Corn. Yeah.
Sarap yan.
Corn.
Ha? May butiki oh.
Ah!
What is it?
Nakapasok siya? Baka pagkain yan.
Si.
Paano siya nakapunta dyan?
Baka natin.
Baka patay yan.
Baka dyan.
Patay di.
Baka nalaglag siya. Hindi siya kasya. Food niya yan, uy.
Alas naman ang papasukan yung butiki na yun.
Tingin ko food niya yan.
I can food them. Is this it good? No,
Hindi kasi siya Kasi. Hindi na ka?
Hindi nakapalupot.
Mainit siguro. Ay, hindi. Bearded dragon.
Hello, dragon. You're the dragon again?
Mhm.
Parang bagong ba yun?
You look so satisfying to the last.
Cassie! Are you scared?
Let's go to the ball pit.
Bigay mo si Cassie dyan.
Ano siya? Kamay gumagano'n niya. Parang meron na.
Ano?
Lalapit sa atin. Lalapit sa atin. Kasi Cassie, oh.
Eat Cassie.
Ano na tayo? Lalo pa akit dito yan.
Tingnan natin. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Hindi.
Ano yun din sa kabila?
Iwan ko.
Another snake. Yeah, there's another snake.
Hirap yan.
Ito! Hey, Daddy. Where's the daddy? Oh!
Ito pa dumede.
Baby pa siya eh. 3 months lang siya eh.
Oo. Hindi ba pwede kumakain ng karne?
Kumakain mo.
Ako na. Pakainin niya yung bahan.
Bye, Pau Pau! Bye, bye, Pau Pau!
Paulo.
Paulo.
Laki na.
Cassie, where's the tiger?
Where's the tiger? Saan? Where's the tiger?
You said the tiger was a bunny.
Ate, where's the tiger? Hindi. Where's the tiger? So, our tiger is in our room?
Outsider.
Outside our room.
It's the balcony.
Yeah. Our balcony has a tiger.
Okay.
Mag-i-ready mo yung
Daddy, this is Daddy be like. Daddy be like. I'll hold Cassie's hand.
Oh, sige. Eh na kasi.
Yan na kasi oh.
Ay, napupunta na rito. Rafa, papunta na.
Hindi ko pa kasi siya ulitin sa tulugan niya. Tingnan mo. No!
It's coming here! It's coming here! Rafa! Rafa, Cassie, where's the tiger? Where's the tiger? Are you scared? Mami na. Scared.
Yeah, natulog na siya.
Sleep na siya. Baka mo nga na ano si Cassie. Scared ata eh. Ah, kaya sama mo lang si Mami. Ayun na, palapit na.
Ano na?
Ayun na, palapit na.
Ano?
Ayun na,
Ayan na.
palapit na.
Pupunta doon.
Alam ko na, may nahanap siya. Easter egg.
Yeah. Happy Easter. Ayun na, higa na siya. Kaya ngayon siya active. Rafa?
Tiger.
Tao po.
Hindi ka spray ng wiwi niya rin. Martin,
May
yung
chance.
Kaya ang baho eh.
Siya oh.
Maganda yung kabilang room nga.
No, nandun eh. Oh.
Nailit kasi rito.
Oo.
Yan ang hindi.
Ayan oh.
Ayan ang anak niya rin.
Taas mo yung tail mo.
Ako? Ay, lapit to.
Laki nung cut, no?
Pumasok dun. Kainin ka kaya niya. Pero parang
Ayaw lumapit oh. Lapit ka na dito, daan.
Oh, ayun. Where's the tiger?
Ayun oh.
Are you scared sa tiger or no? Scared ka ba or no? Scared ka ba? Hindi. No.
Ano?
Scared ka?
Doon.
Si Daddy pumunta doon. Daddy, punta ka daw doon kung ikaw ba scared. Ang sabi niya.
Wala na.
Wala na magbabite sa'yo. Ayun! Ayun o. Stick din eh. Nasa tayo.
Okay, bye.
Bawal ka kasi.
Kasi bye.
Yan si Daddy. Hello? Yung tiger. Where's the tiger? There's the tiger. Huwag nakatingin sa'yo, Cassie. Yes, Cassie? Yeah? Swimming? Ganda, oh.
Bye-bye, Zubin Safari!
Bye-bye!